How to download and install ClassDojo app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type ClassDojo. You will see the official ClassDojo app appear in the search results developed by ClassDojo. Tap on the app to open its details page. Next, click on the install button to begin downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so be patient while it completes. Once the download is finished, the installation will start automatically. After the app is installed, open ClassDojo by tapping its icon from your home screen or app drawer. When you launch the app for the first time, you will be prompted to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Choose the option that applies to you, then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Once your profile is ready, you can explore the app's feature like joining a classroom using a code, sending messages, or tracking student progress. Make sure to allow the app any necessary permissions so it works smoothly and provides all its features. Now you know how to download and install ClassDojo app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.